Hello and welcome to GP Digital Hub. We are going to be creating this portfolio from scratch, but not actually in this video. But I just wanted to give you guys heads up that we're going to be creating this portfolio from scratch. Now, aside that, it's very important as someone that is offering this particular service. It's very important to have a portfolio. I mean, like if you're a freelancer, it's very professional to have a portfolio. So because your client is definitely going to ask you, do you have a portfolio, and what do you have to send to your client as regards that. So basically, I'll be giving out this portfolio. It's very simple and clean, so I hope you like it. It's just a simple portfolio. I'll be giving out this simple portfolio to anyone that is interested. So you just comment down below and I'll send you a link to get the portfolio. Basically, you can see it is fully designed, and let's check the responsiveness. It's fully designed and responsive. As you can see, it is fully designed and responsive. It is fully responsive. You can see it is fully responsive. So this is the menu. I'll be giving out this portfolio. All you need to do is just to leave a comment down below. Then, but in the subsequent videos, we're going to be creating this portfolio from scratch. Now, basically, this is just it in the mobile device. On the mobile device, basically, you can see it is fully responsive and clean. It's very clean. So basically, so I'll be giving out this portfolio, or better still, you comment down below if you need the portfolio, or there will be a link in the description on how you can get the portfolio for free. So that is it. This is basically a portfolio. Okay, now